In this video, we will show you how to add and customize rectangle shapes. All the ready-made shapes can be found under the Shapes section. The icon of the last used shape is visible on the Shapes section. To select the rectangle shape, place the mouse cursor on top of the Shapes section and click on the rectangle shape. Click and drag to define the position and size of the inserted rectangle. Once you release the mouse, the rectangle is finalized and the tool remains active. As you can see on the Tool Options bar, you can adjust the roundness of the corners of the created rectangle. As mentioned before, the tool remains active in case you want to add more of that shape. If you press the Ctrl key and drag diagonally, you can easily create perfect rectangles. When you are done, right-click to release the tool or click on the Rectangle Selection tool. When the inserted rectangle shape is selected, you can still see and edit the roundness percentage. You can also edit the rectangle using the node editor. When starting the node editing mode, you can see that the rectangle has only some special nodes. This one can be used to adjust the roundness of the corners. This one can be used to change the size and proportion of the rectangle as easily as you created the shape in the first place. Last but not least, this node in the center can be used to reposition the rectangle shape. If you want to manually edit the shape of the rectangle, you need to first convert it into curves. After they have been converted into curves, these special nodes are no longer available.